Here are the trophies for tonight. We got special trophies. We even have a Surf City Classics special trophy.
That's
in the
right.
house
I
tonight.
forgot about it.
I'll just give you guys a nice look, and this is the Dano's Choice Award given out by none other than Lady T, right? That's your choice, huh? Yes, ma'am.
Prizes. No more playing. Thank you.
No more playing.
Happy birthday, Dan the Man. Thank you, Wally. Thank you, PCTV, Comfort Vision. Thank you, Willie's Auto Service. Thank you, Surf City Classic.
Big
What a
Surf
night.
City. Yeah.
Thank you, Lady T, Heather Boucher, Davidi Photography, the Hooligans, OCMC. Thank you all for supporting my show every single week. Do not forget, next week is VW only night. This whole street will be packed with VWs. You are more than welcome to come down, but there'll be all VWs, and you can watch the show, whatever. So you're more than welcome to play the raffle next week. I think we're going to do 50-50 only, so it will be a good night. And then we'll see you all the next week for sure. All right, so let's get on with this. Willie? We are going to call second place first. Second place, number 88, a 1950 Ford shoebox. David. David, come on up. He's on the phone. Congratulations, David. Can't get away. Yeah.
Where's our winner? There we go.
Today?
There you go. Congratulations.
This is beautiful.
And it's Willie's night, so you get a picture with Willie.
Oh, man,
My
Sir
trophy
Willie?
guy's not here. Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
all of this.
You're welcome. Thank you for thanking me. A lot of thank yous.
No,
going
thank
on
you.
here.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank
thank
you,
you.
Patrick.
Thank you.
PCTV. 1,000 followers. Subscribe now. Is that?
No, that's what it is.
Oh, okay. Where's first place?
Yes.
First place. Number 29, a 57 Chevy Bel Air, Robert Rogers, with a 283 complete stop. 29, Robert Rogers.
Robert Rogers.
Robert
Come on,
Rogers.
man.
Rogers.
It's not a walk sham.
I think he's eating.
Okay. We're going to go ahead with Dano Trophy, picked by Lady T, because she was his better half. Bless his heart. He's in a better place than we are right now, that's for sure. All right, this is the Dano Live Trophy. We do it the first Friday of every month on Willie's Night. And Lady T picks a trophy. Number 55. This is a real honor to have this trophy. Bob with a 67 Camaro convertible.
Oh, nice.
Bob and Patricia, come on up.
All right, Bob.
Thank you.
Truly honored.
Well, you tell Tammy that.
There you go, buddy.
She was the better half. He's honored to have that trophy. Anybody should be honored to have that trophy.
I'm honored.
This is probably the best one Rod's made with Dano Live on it, so I got to mention that to him next time.
Perfect.
Awesome. Congrats.
Thanks, Patrick. Thank you. Thank you.
Drum roll, please. All
Drum
right. Let me get one more shot. There we go. Well, one more. There we go. Got it.
You go with the Surf City or?
Cool, dude.
Hi, I'm Robert Rogers.
Robert Rogers. Here you go.
Here's
Oh,
Robert Rogers.
There we go.
Here's
Congrats.
your trophy.
It's heavy.
57 Bel Air. Congratulations.
It's heavy.
Thank you.
Here,
Thank you.
He's going to get a picture with you guys.
I'm tripping over the t-shirt stands here.
I'm giving Surf City Classics a special trophy tonight because I love you guys. I went to 2 of your shows recently. We had a blast. You guys are the greatest in the community. You put the whole community together. The first responder show last Wednesday, 52 Wednesdays a year. Get you out into that, Brian.
That's right.
All right, I'll get you. Okay, so anyway, you guys are very near and dear to me and special. You guys do so much for your community and for me, for my car show. I really, really have a lot of respect for you guys. I love you guys. You're all fantastic people. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so this special award is going to go to number 38, the 64 Thunderbird, Marvin, Surf City Classics. Woo!
Nice.
You only got lucky because it's over by me.
He had no idea why I was sticking my tongue out at him earlier when I was sneaking this away. So, congratulations. Marvin, Surf City Classics. I love you guys.
Congrats, bro.
They said you do the
Congrats.
most for that club than a lot of people do, and they're very supportive of you, and thank you very much, the whole club. Okay, Willie. Willie's Auto Service, Huntington Beach.
Willie.
Number
Willie.
10, a 1967 Chevy El Camino.
Oh,
Rick
yeah.
Davenport,
Woo!
the 427. Also
All
a
right,
Surf City
Rick.
Classics member. Beautiful car, congratulations.
Nice, Rick.
So
Congrats.
you have to
Alright.
put some lights on it like your car.
Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.
All right,
Congratulations.
beautiful. Thank you to Lady T, Patrick Comfort for videographing and pictures. I appreciate you guys.
Oh, thank you. And doggies too. Cockaroo.
Anything you want off the table.
I get half.
What's up, Josh?
899-236.
What's up, brother? Oh, no.
Please no burnouts. Please no burnouts.
No.
899-236.
Especially if
Josh.
you're running a dog leg rear end.
Congratulations. Thank you. Optima Battery donated that. Woo! Let's hear it for Bruce.
That's a good one. I'd rather have that one.
899-236.
Good to see you, brother. Congrats, Bruce. What'd you get?
Battery charger.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Battery maintainer.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm looking
Winner, congratulations, Josh Lindsay Builders of Garden Grove for all your remodel jobs right here.
Very cool.